This one's for you. You know who it is. Young, I got the game. I'm young, I got the game in my mind. Rewind this track, boy. You was so whack, boy. Think you got it all. Quick to take a fucking snap of a picture of your face. Then you see you hesitate. Cause every move that you make is too motherfucking late. I'm just here trying to skate on big rims. Man, you hating. I'm doing what you can. And I'll slam you in the paint. You get drank like some drink or some fucking Hennessy. I'm so menacing. You gon' remember me. Ha. Cause it's my time, boy. Rewind this track, boy. You got to feel what I'm on. I'm gonna tell you, boy. I ain't gotta play no games. I only rap just like a sir. I'ma take joy as you bleed upon the fucking dirt. Yeah, I was born her in Denver, Colorado. Looking in your shadow, kill your ass like ghetto. Put your head up on my mental, boy. You could get this mental, boy. You gon' feel the fucking joy. You gon' feel the fucking heart. It's time to boil up your spot. Time to make you fucking feel the block. See, the cops is watching you. Are you watching them? Death in the sea is all you see. And you thinking that you's a chief, but you ain't nothing when it comes to your enemies. You just bleed out your soul. Where you to go? We've been lost on this road. And every day you know there ain't nothing to give. Until this bullshit is over, I'ma spit it real. It's an everyday thing, boy. I'm up in it, live in 3D, and I'm heading towards the finish. Yeah, y'all teams diminish. Yeah, they smoke like some spinach, and I'm just out to win it. Yeah, you could catch me grimacing. Diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my neck. Dicky wreck for these bomb ass bitches that coming my way. Step if you got some game, boy. Tell me what it is you gotta say. I ain't hearing anything. Listen to the remedy. I'ma fucking hurt the whole block with this word right here, boy. You ain't seen the you ain't seen the fucking live. Yeah, your bitches fucking draws. They just dropped up on the floor, and your jaws is on the floor. I'm like, Jaws, give me applause. You should know I'm Santa Claus. I got so many hoes. You should just know I'm down, though. Every day I'm straight live, smoking on that bone chronic, and I ain't gonna play no games, boy. I'm nostalgic of the bullshit that you're talking, all the fake spit that you're written, all the fucking lies you told, all the bitches that's out here saying that they fucking know the game. It is fucking swole in my brain, every day I'm after fortune and fame. Yeah, I could be enslaved, baby. Do you wanna come play? Go ahead, hey man, all you fucking want to. You could say what you want to, but I know in the end it doesn't mean nothing to the one. Yeah, I got some. Yeah, I'm sitting up on a summit, and I ain't Hollywood. I will watch your body plummet like it was 300. I wish you would come around this hood where we be busting that heat, boy. Live in these streets, boy. Like I said before, I ain't never felt no joy. You got me annoyed, boy, and I ain't playing games. Fuck you and everything that you gotta say, hey. This a freestyle, young and wild, nigga. I've been put through trials. Yeah, I stay running a mile. Yeah, your bodies they gon' pile. You niggas, you in denial, swimming with some crocodiles. I think you need to wait a while. Can't you see the crooked smile? Can't you see the fish coming by? Once I take a snap, it's all hero, game over. Boy, I'm a soldier. I thought I fucking told ya. This shots from my soldier. I was raised by my bulger.